Hello everyone, it's Amy, and I am here to show the ingredients in the Pledge floor finish that I used for the embossing powders and for the wax glazes. And it's very hard to see because it's inside the bottle. I am trying to hold it as still as I can so that you can see what it says, because they wanted to see the ingredients so they could try and find something like it. Now, the problem with this ingredient list is the second ingredient is proprietary film formers. That is what is creating both the embossing powder and the wax glazes. And so there's no way to know exactly what that is. They have some kind of a patent on it. They don't have to show it. But what it is it's some kind of an acrylic film that they used a long time ago when they invented future floor finish to replace waxing your floor. And so it was an acrylic type of a finish. And so what you need to look for is something that finishes your floor off, something that shines your floor, not cleans your floor, but something that is used to shine your floor, and it dries clear and it dries very hard. And I'm really losing the ingredients there. I think that's better. So you may be able to talk to a place that sells, floor finishes, and ask them, they sell the flooring, and ask them what they recommend to shine up a floor that's kind of gotten dull, that is a non-wax flooring. And they should be able to give you some type of a product, and that product should definitely work for the wax glazes. It may not work for the embossing powders. That would really depend. I did try a different one for the embossing powders and it did not work. But this is the list, and I was asked to just kind of hold it up there so that they could see it and be able to read what was in here. But I just did want to let you know that. Now, this is the Pledge Revive It floor gloss, and that's what it is. It's something to make an older floor look glossy, and it dries on there and it dries hard and lasts for quite a long time. So if you can find something that is used for that purpose, that should work for the wax glazes. And like I said, I don't know if it would work for the embossing powders. You just have to try it like I did with the first one I bought. And if it works, it doesn't. If it doesn't, then you would probably have to get this, because it's whatever is in here that they're not telling us. But I wanted to come on for Vicky and for Chelle and just show them what was in here and just kind of give an explanation of really what it is that makes the glaze a glaze. And that's the fact that it is some kind of an acrylic that dries clear and it dries hard. And that is what makes those glazes work so well. So, and they dry on like linoleum and all different sorts of products. So that's why they'll dry on anything we put them on, because they're made to dry on even non-porous surfaces. So thank you very much all for watching. I hope that this maybe helps you some and gives you an explanation of what to look for, at least for the gloss or for the glazes. And thank you all very much for stopping by. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.